COVID-19 vaccines. More vaccine doubters now willing to get the shots. During the COVID-19 vaccine development race, the majority of people around the world are unwilling to be vaccinated. Their answer was robust even with encouraging news, like higher efficacy rates and minimal risks. The situation got even worse when plots against COVID-19 vaccines peaked. Now, hesitation is dwindling and more of those who opposed before are rolling up their sleeves. Everything changed when the vaccine started rolling out, particularly in the US. On December 8, Gallup revealed its latest poll about the willingness of Americans to get a COVID-19 vaccine. About 63% of surveyed individuals will be willing to receive an FDA-approved COVID-19 vaccine. That figure was up by 50% in September and 58% in October. The survey was conducted from November 16 to 29, the week when Pfizer and BioNTech announced the efficacy rate of their vaccine. It was followed by Moderna's announcement. Then, the companies applied for emergency use authorization. In the latest survey, 66% of men and 60% of women were willing to be vaccinated. Those figures were higher than the 56% of men and 44% of women in October. By age, 74% of adults aged 65 and older, 68% of adults aged 18 to 44 years, and 52% of adults aged 45 to 64 years expressed willingness. The main reason why more become willing is the return to normalcy. Although not completely possible, everyone wants to get back where they left off before the coronavirus hit the world. Even though reports of allergic reactions and other side effects came out, many would gamble just to return things back to normal. Many businesses in several sectors have permanently closed their operations. This resulted in massive layoffs that surged employment rates globally. If vaccines could revive the economy, more individuals might be willing to participate in vaccination campaigns. However, the public needs an informed decision. They have the right to know the benefits and risks, and what vaccines they are getting. Despite the resistance against vaccines, lots of people are following health protocols. In the KFF December poll, 70% of adults would either adhere to physical distancing for 6 months or more, or until a vaccine is available. Around 73% of people wear face masks when leaving their homes, up by 21% since May. According to the New York Times, the sudden shift is due to the series of events. From the efficacy rates of the first-gen COVID-19 vaccines to the new rise of cases and deaths.